Power of social media helps man and his dog board American Airlines flight. The power of social media might have helped a man who was initially denied boarding and with his dog. Lachlan Markay, a reporter who covers the White House for the Daily Beast, tweeted on Wednesday that he could not board his flight from Washington Reagan National to Miami because his French bulldog, Lou, was 5 pounds overweight. In fact, that wasn't the case, but the responses on social media might have been a factor in American relenting in allowing Markay to board. It all began with "Super cool of to destroy our holiday travel plans because Lou is 5 pounds over the weight limit. Never had a problem. Super cool of at American Air to destroy our holiday travel plans because Lou is 5 pounds over the weight limit. Never had a problem." Markay followed it up with "looking forward to flying with you at JetBlue." The tweets prompted more than 600 replies and more than 3,400 retweets. The replies were as it turns out, Lou wasn't overweight. Markay had put the small dog into what appeared to be a gym bag, and his canine companion didn't have enough room to move. American spokesman Ross Feinstein that pets must be able to stand up, turn around and lie down in a natural position in their kennel without touching any side or the top of the container. American quickly relented in less than 2 hours and Markay and Lou were allowed to fly. "Our team made a one-time exception in order to get Mr. Markay to his final destination Wednesday evening," Feinstein said. "We allowed him this one PUPDATE we made it. AA wisely PUPDATE we made it. AA wisely they even met on the plane. Met a new friend on the flight too. You Lachlan Markay at Lachlan."
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.